Alright, y'all, see, I know what time it is. I'm back, and I got another one for you, feel me? So today we're going to get into part 3 of your Virgo intervention, you feel me? For all my 6th house individuals, you feel me? So y'all know what time it is, you feel me? Roll up, kick back, do what you need to do, you feel me? You know what time it is. Come on with it.
Oh, I tell you, like, I'm like the 2020 Petey Pablo on this motherfucker. Nah, fuck that, nigga. I'm like P in this bitch, look. Bad little bitch, call me daddy, though. Met the little baby up in Cameo. Classy little bitch and not a ratchet hoe. She be dancing in the mirror, ass clapping.
What you mean, just from me to you, just straight up and down, you feel me? You just need to understand, you feel me? Ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Let me be the one to tell you, feel me? Cause your friends and your family, they might love you too much, you feel me? They might not keep it all the way 1,000 with you feel me? They just gonna have that look on their face every time you come around, you feel me? They just gonna stop picking up your calls, you feel me? They gonna just start ignoring. No, let me be the one to tell you, bro. Ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Every time you come around, you got something negative to say? Or you always point out something negative, or you always got to be the one. You see what I'm saying? Ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Don't nobody want to be around that shit. Like, straight up. It is what it is. So if you was wondering why they disappeared, you ain't heard from them in a minute, they ain't trying to hear that shit. Why they won't pick up the phone, they ain't trying to hear that shit. Every time you call some negative shit, motherfuckers don't want to hear that shit. Straight up. It is what it is. And every little detail of it, too. You got to hear every little detail of the Virgo story. Because they gonna feel like you didn't understand because you didn't get that one little detail. It's like, bro, no, I understand exactly what the fuck you saying, and it's still some bullshit. Y'all trying to make motherfuckers feel like they ain't understanding. No, I understand exactly. I don't care how much more detail you give me. I understand exactly what the fuck you saying, and you're still wrong. And y'all don't be knowing how to take that sometimes. Y'all get mad at the person or the situation. Like, no, you can't be mad. It is what it is. But y'all cool with me, you feel me? Like I said, I respect y'all work ethic, you feel me? I respect that y'all able to put yourself on a routine and get yourself in order and, do what y'all need to do. You see what I'm saying? All of that, you feel me? So I mess with Virgos, but y'all, like I said, y'all got some bad habits, you feel me? Just like the rest of it, y'all got some bad habits like the rest of it. But y'all's come out way more wrong sometimes, because y'all so... You see what I'm saying? You gonna say it. You know what I mean? You got that Mercury. It's coming out your mouth. Mama gotta hear about it. You know, they trying to hear that shit. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You ain't even an air sign, but you a fool of motherfucker. Like, every time you see something off, you gotta say something. You always gotta be the one to point out something off. You always gotta be that person. Like yeah, ain't nobody on that. Now, y'all are able to put some pieces together, though. If somebody give y'all the right information, y'all are able to do that. I will give y'all that, you feel me? You feel me? You might not necessarily come up with the best idea, you know what I'm saying, or the highest thought, but y'all can put some pieces together and come up with something, you see what I'm saying? Straight up. Now, whether or not it's going to be rational or reasonable, that's up for grabs. But y'all can put them together, though. Trust your buddy. They'll give you a story. And y'all be this can lead to purpose sometimes, too. Because you're so focused on making it look like pieces are in place and you have it together. And I'm pure and I'm Virgo. Think of the version. You so focused on that you will perp it out. Straight up. You will perp it out. Straight up. You'll perp with people who know you. Like, yeah, I know you. Why is you perping to me? And then y'all be talking. And people remember what you just said. But you didn't forget. It's like, bro, no, you said you did that last week. Oh, so now you saying you did it this week. So you was meaning to say that you was intended to do it last. Oh, so you was just perping last week. That's all it come down to. You was perping last week. So, okay, so I ain't going to take nothing you say. You see what I'm saying? Until I actually see it and then it didn't happen. Y'all perp. Because like I said, you so focused on that pristine image. You so focused on looking a certain way. And not in the Venus way where Venus wants to make everything look good. You see what I'm saying? Not in that way. You focus on making everything look pure, everything look clear, everything. You see what I'm saying? You focus on that. Well, you should be focused on, you feel me? Maybe being pure, being the truest to yourself, you see what I'm saying? That character, putting a little bit of you in there. It is what it is. You are who you are, aside from whether it's the best thing for you or not, aside from whether somebody else like it or not, aside from whether it's able to work for you or not, or able to make you money or not. You see what I'm saying? Either way, you still you see what I'm saying? You can't... even if you try to put on that gloss, you see what I'm saying? You try to put on that image of perfection, a mother gonna see through that, you see what I'm saying? Especially when they're around you. Like, you see what I'm saying? So it might look good for the time being at first, but when somebody get next to you and they realize, oh, you been perping, you just been trying to make it look like everything was all clear. In actuality, you all fucked up out here. See, that's what you gotta get from your opposition to Pisces. At least they gonna keep it 1,000. If they fucked up, they fucked up. Straight up. And I need help, nigga. And if you ain't helping, please walk the fuck over there. Like, straight up. That's what you can get, Pisces. You can get that from your Pisces brothers and sisters on the opposite end. You know, it is what it is. Fuck trying to make it look like something. It is what it is. I'm down bad. Straight up. You try to walk around here and make everybody think you alright, but inside you dying. But you mad at them, because you didn't tell them you was dying. What? They gonna be mad at me for not offering help for a situation you didn't even tell me was going on, because you too busy trying to make it look like you good. You see what I'm saying? Do y'all see what I'm saying, though? I know y'all do. Y'all might not like it, but y'all see what I'm saying. Stop doing that to yourself. You feel me? Keep it 1,000. Don't just be running off in the mouth telling motherfucker what it really is. You see what I'm saying? Don't just be complaining and nitpicking at something. You feel me? Get down to the heart of the matter. How you really feeling? What you really going through? Don't just talk about what you thought or try to make it a real situation. Because a Virgo try to feel some way and try to make the situation real as if you did. So, you see what I'm saying? But no, in actuality, that was just your thought. That was something you went through in your mind. Or that was a feeling that you had and you put it up into your head and ran with it. You see what I'm saying? Instead of just feeling it and expressing it from there. You try to bring it into that earth, you see what I'm saying? You try to make it real. You try to really put real evidence behind it. You really trying to watch a motherfucker to see if they gon', you see what I'm saying? You just watching and nitpicking, you see what I'm saying, and waiting for a motherfucker to be off. Of course, eventually, if you see what I'm saying, Mama always told me, you know what I'm saying, you look for something, you gonna find it. Straight up, because you gonna do it to yourself. You gonna make it something. It ain't even gotta be nothing, but if you looking for it, you gonna find it, because that's just how mine work. It is what it is. Straight up. So, you know what I mean? That was y'all kickback, you feel me? Y'all know I had to get into it with y'all, man. I ain't go too hard on y'all, you know what I mean? I could have went in, you feel me? But y'all, I mean, I gotta give y'all something helpful. I gotta give y'all some details. You feel me? I wanna help y'all, you feel me? I ain't anti-Virgo like everybody else, you feel me? I ain't anti-6 house. I understand what y'all go through. It be some mental strain on y'all as well. Y'all ain't just stressing everybody else out. Y'all stressed out too. You see what I'm saying? Y'all stressed out too, but don't be infringing that on others, because like I told you before, ain't nobody trying to hear that shit. Straight up. Oh, you ain't gonna fuck up my good day. Don't come infringing your own happiness on me. You'll come up to a motherfucker having a beautiful day and just here to pour your bullshit on them. Now they walking around drained, think about your bullshit, try to help you, and you ain't gonna even listen anyway. You see what I'm saying? Because you too proud to even say something off. You see what I'm saying? You won't even miss something off. You try to make it look like it ain't really. No, nigga. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure you kick back with some of my other videos. Let me know what you think down below. And make sure you go and follow me over on Instagram. You feel me? I'm over there now. So come kick back with me every day on the daily. You want to kick back with me on the daily? Come on over. You feel me? That's where I'll be. So y'all know what time it is. Come on with it.